How's it guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another session today. We will be looking at the current price of Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin did have a massive pump yesterday, back up to 47K, which is absolutely crazy. It broke above the weekly resistance. The next key level for Bitcoin is going to have to be this level here at 60,000. Okay, so I mean, yeah, to be honest with you, it's looking really strong here, and I think it's mainly to do with the Bitcoin dominance chart. So Bitcoin dominance is absolutely pumping. Have a look at this chart here, guys. This Bitcoin dominance chart will tell you why we are seeing the pump, and it's not really rotating into the altcoins yet. So once this starts to dump, then we will see some money flow into the altcoins. But overall, I mean, the market's absolutely bullish here for Bitcoin. A lot of people were quite bearish on yesterday, and the thing is, price is still looking like it can go higher. So yeah, let's see what happens today. I mean, it's going to be quite interesting. It will be quite interesting to see what happens, but you can see Bitcoin is forming some type of pattern here. It is forming some type of pattern here. We could potentially get a breakout trade within today as well. Okay. I mean, if it breaks this level here, this looks really clean. Looks really clean, yeah. So let's see what we can do today. Let me know what you guys are looking at. I'm looking at a trade. Look at this ETC. This is looking quite clean here. If you look on the 5 minutes, it's bouncing from this level here. So I'll be looking at a long here for EDC. ETC, I will be looking at a long here. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But if you look at the 15-minute time frame, price is still respecting this level here. So I will be looking to long this back up to the highs here. We need to wait for the 15-minute candle to close though. But once it closes, then we can look for a long. Yeah. Let's wait for this. I was looking at this for Ape. If you look at the 15 minutes and the 1 hour, it's looking like Ape might come down a little bit as well. But it's still holding the support level over here, so can't really do much for Ape. Trying to look for some setups. XRP, it can't do much there. Have a look at SCI. So we were talking about SCI yesterday. We took that short here and we took out profits and we put break even, remember? So have a look at the 4 hour and see what's happening here. So on the 4 hour time frame, still creating these lower highs, right? So to be honest with you, can't really do much here. We might be looking at retracement buys. If we look at the 15, it is currently at support right now. So this level here is holding quite nicely, which could be an area that we could look at to buy it back up to the highs. Yeah, because if you look here at broke structures to the upside, came back down, retest, potential push higher. Yeah, so I'm looking at a few long setups here today. I'll be looking at this trade here. Yeah, a C long, it does look quite clean here, guys, to be honest with you. It does look really clean here. I will let you know when I get into this position though. Yeah, look at the 5 minutes here. If you look at the 5 and the 15, we need to wait for this 15 to close bullish. Okay, And then I'll be looking to long SWE today. Back up to this level here. And then your stop loss just below this wick here. Okay, so I'm quite bullish on the day. ETC also looks good for long. So we're looking at a couple trades here. Okay. Once this closes, I want to see even on the 5 minute. If the 5 minute closes like this, we're just going to take this trade with your stop loss below this wick here. Okay. But yeah, let me know how you guys are. Looks the market's looking good. Bitcoin still looks good. We're looking at this with Bitcoin as well. Have a look at this little pattern here. I mean, if this breaks out, you know, we're gonna hit 60k today probably. We're probably gonna hit 60k today. The way to measure this is if you just take it from the low to the high. This would be the target, right? 58,100. Yeah. So we're looking at this for Bitcoin. But yeah, looking good, guys. Looking good, looking good. I want to look at SWE because I think SWE's in a pump today, guys. Where's back? Yeah, this is looking good. Gonna have to be patient here, but I think SWE, because have a look at this level, right? If you have a look at this level, you bring it back, right? Look how strong this level was, right? So SWE broke bullish here, broke bullish, came back down, retested, created a high, came back down, retest. So yeah, it looks good. Does look good. Does look good. Let's wait for the 5 minutes here. We're going to take long. This looks clean, guys. This looks really clean. The profit is at 1.7153. I'm gonna take it now. Yeah. Stop loss just below this level here. 1 point. Put on the chart here. So stop loss is at 1.6. Yeah, that's a trade, guys, for SWE. And then XTC, ETC looks clean as well. And then Bitcoin, we're waiting for Bitcoin to break out today. Once Bitcoin breaks out, guys, it's another huge move here for BTC. Another big move, yeah.
We're still on the top. GAITMG, we know. CSC, we're right to the K-Town, yo. Hey, yo, Miss Baba, DMG. DDC.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Put your hands up. Hey, yo, 你手不接的。来接我的棒，这把麦那么的炸，快把它带回天上。那几年他们都在操作，从没被看过，根本可从来没忘。现在一个个都那么的像，说你是 rapper 没 rapper 的样。你想要获得我的种种，交过显胸，怎么定义那些流量？我想让你听那些卖的热手，不过当前的问题就挨了个头。明天欢迎都让你踩个跟头，哪里不是绿洲，那是海蜃楼。别忙着找捷径，跟着我的协议，就快到了，很接近。这是个全新的命题，你敢说别不敢做，不能够被他们定义，所以我从不懒惰。我要的东西还没得，有他妈可能。听到死水，现在从这里头上了。Go get me， 进入到下个时代 ，already， 由我们制造现在的规矩，建起了城堡也太不费水。
CIA guys, look at this coin here. Yeah, have a look here. So TIA on a 4-hour chart, creating this pattern, right? Kind of stuck in this range here, but once we get a breakout for TIA, we're going to see quite a nice pump here. Back up to, you're looking at a 15% pump, 16% pump for TIA. This is what I'll be looking at. Just changing cash here. Okay, so yeah, so looking good here, guys. Looking good. We on a SWI long. We're on a SWI long. We're looking for a TIA long. We're looking for a Bitcoin long as well. We're looking for a couple longs here, guys. Because have a look at Bitcoin, right? We spoke about it. If it breaks out here, we're looking at quite a nice move. Yeah. Looking at quite a nice move here. ETC as well. Yeah, so let's see. We just need to wait for the 50 minutes here, otherwise. Yeah, so 50 seconds, I'll take this long here for ETC. 50 seconds here. Was looking up how to make a trade on CoinW and found one of your old videos. Yeah, do you need help? I can help you with that. It's quite simple. Let's see. Where's SWI? We just took a trade on SWI. Looks clean. Yeah, the SWI's in a pump here, guys. Have a look here. There we go. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Stop loss below the wick, take profit at the highs, yeah. Stop loss is at 27.96, and then take profit is at 28.65. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see how this plays out. If you guys did just join, welcome. We are long on SWE, we are long on ETC as well. Yeah, so we're long on both of these coins.
举手晃动，一起来，哪里 bounce？ 顽皮老板喝不醉，每天都在天上飞。举手晃动，一起来，哪里 bounce？ 顽皮老板喝不醉，每天都在。根本拦不住，天赋加努力，造就我的 groove。都说酷，美女环绕在我入的摄氏度 15 bad move。没时间提起手势。
Let's see, we ready for this? I mean, we're in this one.
谁掉线让我有你耶？没得闪你就能给你摆礼物，独带胡是我态度，生活却是骸骨，真的假的？我不在乎塞姆，但你猜不谁把我排除 ？Guess who back to 给的方法白喝，别再来秀高级，都是去 nobody， 你们并不清晰，然后心机的对我定义，可 nobody know about me。孩子们浮躁了，套路外俗套了，见到我不教，可真的没礼貌。拍过谁的某某，未来人们要秀，因为前面小丑，我上去笑，动作快的路，那些弯路随你绕，之前的你再让他们记住我是谁，蹦蹦。傻把气随便你别来惹我记清楚了没？我
Trick or treat， 能向上却不向下，能做大就想个办法。为什么 squad 场上称霸就是。
Then yeah, we're waiting for Bitcoin now. We're waiting for Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it might break out today, guys. Another breakout. Both trades are looking good. Yeah, that's a good question. So like these scalp trades are based on the lower time frames, right? Like my bias today is bullish because of yesterday. Obviously, we know we had like a massive pump with Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything. So this morning I woke up and obviously like the market's flipped bullish. So my bias is still bullish. And then I go on the lower time frames to get my entries. And then I take, because I'm scalp trading with leverage, right? We're not meant to hold on trades for too long, right? You don't want to hold on trades for too long. You want to place trades and take profits at like, so I use the 15-minute and the 30-minute resistances to take my profits because it's squeeze absolutely pumping. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so you must, like, even for this sweet trade, right? Look at this trade here. So look at the 30-minute, look at the 1 hour, right? 1 hour time frames. It's telling us that this is a massive rejection level, but we broke bullish, right? We broke through this level, broke bullish, came down, retested, pumps up, retest, another pump up, because the daily candle did close very, very bullish here. So if you look at the daily candle, it just looks like a retracement, right? So you want to try to be buying these retracements. That's kind of the thought process. You need to go in the higher time frames, be like, okay, what's the market doing today? If the market's bullish, wait for price to hit support and resistances, and then look at potential trades. But you must always make sure that your bias is based on the daily and the 4 hour time frame. Don't get your bias in the 15 minutes because you'll get stopped out a lot. But yeah, this is clean, guys. So I'll show you this trade that I took, the sweet trade, just so you guys can see it. Let me just change my screen here. Just give me 1 second. So we did take this sweet trade here. Margin was a bit high, 400, but I mean, if it hits TP here, we look, so 1.71, what is that? Looking at 100%, and then stop loss, what's the stop loss? Is at 1.6348, 1.6348. We are trying to build this account up for it's quite a small one, but it's looking quite good. Yeah, it's absolutely ripping. It's absolutely ripping. Yeah, looking good. Don't hold trades for too long. It's you don't want to be in a trade for too long, especially when we're scalping. If you're using leverage, it's always a risk, right? It's always a risk. So just make sure you don't hold a trade on for too long. Oh, it's clean. So clean.
Not as swimming pool as the ocean. Diving that cash like I'm chosen. Then my 24 karat got you frozen, yeah. 보트보이는 시제 요새, yeah. Hit me on the surface, let lurking. Overhit it up, that gon' make me nervous. 这里呼吸着闪动，不属于我的翅膀路子吧。不要慌，这不是我的名字 Now we got start the fish and bite me another round. Diamonds on me like I'm fresh out of water. I'm
Bitcoin long
reeling me in with a thin line. Fly underwater, I don't need no man. 绝不会看得到过我 hand runs up. Fly underwater,
about to break out, yeah.
I fly in water, little man got double fish, man. Follow me, I don't need no romance. I fly like a manta. I fly in water, little man got double fish, man. Follow me, I don't need no romance.
Yeah, so that's the smaller time frame. I mean, the thing is, because your range is so small, right, on the small time frame, right, you can afford to use higher leverage, right? Because if you look at the sweet trade, have a look at the sweet trade, right? So we took it was a 30x leverage on the trade, right? 30x leverage because our range is quite small, right? But if I'm looking at the daily time frame, you know, I could potentially look at a long back up to like 1.8, and then I'd have to use a small leverage because my stop loss would have to be below like 1.57. So my leverage is based on how big my stop loss is, right? So if my stop loss is like quite small. Like the stop loss is 1%, right? So I can afford to go higher on the leverage, right? Yeah. So it's basically based on the stop loss level. That's how I view it, right? My stop loss is based on how big. I mean, my leverage is based on how big my stop loss is. Yeah. Yeah. If you're using a 5x leverage, then your stop loss is probably like 5% or 10%, right? So just look at it like that, right? Always do your calculations before you enter the trade, but at this point, I don't really need to do the calculations because I can just do it in my head. You can just times your leverage by your percentage. You don't really need to do calculations. Bitcoin's about to break out here. Hold on. Look at this. You know, if it breaks out, it's going to be massive. It's going to be absolutely massive, yeah. It's going to be massive. This song's a bit angry.
Rap music? China? What are they even saying? What is this Chinese rap music?
Have a look at this coin now.
Sounds like they're just saying ching chang chong.
You look so good.
Go watch made in China. We play ping pong ball made in China. Get bitch matter says pay made in China. It had brother black car made in China. She said that she didn't love me. She said that she didn't love me. She said that she didn't love me. She lied. She all made it in China.
We also long on
She all made it in China. She all made it in China. She lied. 老总把你叫醒 Made in China 牙膏牙刷上面挤 Made in China 把早餐放进陶瓷碗 Made in China 擦唇膏出门打起伞 Made in China 坐在公司里血在办公椅360度速是累积
The problem is that if you look at Bitcoin, right, because it's at that level that we spoke about, so Bitcoin's at this level, you know, if it breaks out, then obviously we're going to see both SUI and ETC absolutely rip. But if it gets rejected, yeah, we might have to trim some profits because, like, we're already up 20%. But if Bitcoin gets rejected, yeah, you know, it can just, you know, we might have to just trim profits. Because if you look at this, right, look what price does at this level normally. Price normally gets rejected, right? So the probability of it getting rejected is more likely. But if it breaks out and then comes back down, resets, we're going to take a long back up to 5800, 100, 58, 170. Yeah, so that's going to be the setup for Bitcoin. But yeah, as long as we hold this level, yeah, it should be good. Let's see. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it wants to break here.
I got a bitch up in China. I like the fuck of vagina. I get that money, no mind.
Let's see. ETC, what's happening there? Still looks good. Still looks good.
I get the money like diamonds. Bitch, I'm in Soho. I fuck on two bitches, I think it's a ho-ho. Little boy, you slow so. I'm whipping that Mazzy, I got it from Tokyo. These bitches falling everywhere.
Ooh, have a look at Pepe, yeah.
Wait, they calling me Dexter. Two bitches flopping like feathers, yeah. She lie.
It's forming a bull flag, yeah. But these bull flag patterns, like, they have quite a high probability. The breakout would. This should be the level, yeah. What is that? Another 15%. That's crazy. Okay, so let's see. I mean, it kind of. The breakout is spacing, so I don't think that's going to play out. I think it's going to get rejected from this level, yeah. See, Bitcoin's getting rejected, yeah. So we can't take this trade.
在我的手里，也在我的手里。兄弟，我欢迎你来了这5000年历史中创造最神奇的国度里。Made in China 能征服你，沦陷在 Nobody save me。My chance new girl watch Made in China. We play ping pong ball Made in China. The bitch matter 6P Made in China. It had brother black car Made in China. She said that she didn't love me. She said that she didn't love me. She said that she didn't love me. She lied, she lied. She all made it in China. She all made it in China. She all made it in China. She lied, she lied.
Hello Aston Martin， 副驾驶的 Harney， 坐标筒子聆听车场，还有 Brothers Tommy。我想当个将军，在战场数着 money。My bitch 说完带个点儿。
Swimming pool is the ocean. Diving that cash like I'm chosen. Now my 24 karat got you frozen, yeah. 我最不一样的世界又怎样 ？Hit me on the surface, let lurking. Overheat it up, 刚刚 make me nervous. 水里呼吸着闪动，不属于我的翅膀 Lucifer， 不要慌，这不是我的名字 Now we got start the fish and bite me another round. Diamonds on me like I'm fresh out of water. I'm a Marina, reeling me in with a thin line. Fly underwater, don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Fly underwater, don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Manta, I fly in water, little manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance. I fly like a manta. I fly in water, little manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance. Later on my skin, I'm a shiner. Got a flight to catch a mind, back to China. 我的心中没琢磨在哪 The one that busted open, boy, you better swim. 那么危险，怎么还要追？但我没有时间可以浪费。我从未试过在陆地上飞起来。I've been riding on a wave, tripping water tonight. Manta, I fly in water, low manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance. I fly like a manta. I fly in water, low manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance. Double fish, double fish, double fish, double fish, double fish, double fish. Yeah. Fly underwater, I don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Fly underwater, I don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Manta, I fly in water, little manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance. I fly like a manta. I fly in water, little manta, double fish, manta. Follow me, I don't need no romance.
swimming pool is the ocean. Diving that cash like I'm chosen. Then my 24 karat got you frozen, yeah. 我最不一样的世界又怎样 ？Hit me on the surface, let lurking. Overheat it up, don't gon' make me nervous. 水里呼吸着闪动，不属于我的翅膀，Lucifer。别慌，这不是我的名字 ，No。We got start the fish and bite me another round. Diamonds on me like I'm fresh out of water. I'm a Marina, reeling me in with a thin line. Fly underwater, don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Fly underwater, don't need no man, 追不回看到过我海洋染色。Manta, I fly in water, little manta, double fish, manta. Call on me, I don't need no romance.
Thank you, my bad. There we go, I think it's working now. Shot, yeah. I think it should be fine now. The thing switched off somehow. I think Pepe is going to get ridiculous. Or to see what happens with Bitcoin, yeah. Because if Bitcoin breaks out,
I've been riding on a wave, tripping water tonight. I fly in water, low manta, double fish, manta. Call on me, I don't need no romance. I fly like a manta. I fly in water, low manta, double fish, manta. Call on me, I don't need no romance.
we just need to see what happens here. Because if Bitcoin breaks out, then the short's not valid, right? So, Bitcoin looks like it's gonna absolutely rip, yeah. But to be honest, yeah, I don't think it's gonna break out today or like within the session. But we're waiting to see. Let's see. Let's see what happens, yeah. Bitcoin's really close for a breakout, but Pepe, to be honest with you, it's not looking like it's going to hold this level. But if it does, then it's going to, I mean, that's another 15%, right? But yeah, we just have to be patient, yeah. We just need to watch what Bitcoin's doing. But yeah, that's the setup. That is the setup.
没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步，期望对手像是比赛。马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，我 hold 你 swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，Kid out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太 冲动是我错。我以前只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，马虎，homie swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无。
Need to watch this for Pepe, yeah. Looks like it might be breaking out. Bitcoin's it's a tricky place to take along though, because Bitcoin's so overextended, right? So it could just be a fake out. So you need to be careful here. You need to wait for the higher time frames to close. Let's see. At a very critical stage at Bitcoin. There's a possibility of rejecting back down to here and then breaking below here. But if it breaks above here, then you know it can pump, right? It can definitely pump. So let's see. Let's see. See what happens. See what happens. The thing is, like in the beginning of trading, like you have to experiment, right? You can't just go into trading without like not using money. Obviously, you can use the paper trading. So on TradingView, you can use paper trading to like practice, but you know you do have to risk a bit of money in order to get started, right? Otherwise, it's just, you know, it won't work. So like, yeah, $100 you can start, definitely. Bitcoin seems to be looking to break out, yeah. Look at Pepe. Pepe wants to move again. But I'm feeling that this is gonna be a massive fake out, guys. Just because Bitcoin's getting rejected so much from this level. So we need to be patient here. We need to wait for closure above this level. Otherwise, it's not valid. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so it did close above you at Pepe, right? It did close above. But to be honest, I do think that this is just going to be a fake out. Just because Bitcoin's still holding this trend line here, right? So like we need to wait for price to like close above this trend line and then we can take the position. Okay. We do have this level here for Pepe. Would nice to be see like a 15-minute candle close above there. Yeah, I can't take this long now, it just doesn't make sense. You have to be patient here, guys.
有时候我会问自己，到底为了什么努力，赢得什么才叫胜利？你曾否问自己？
Yeah. 我们明白，很多时候，当你醒来，渴望自由，但现实总变质，并不是你想要的样子。也有人在逆境中蜕变，想在机遇中兑现。说过的承诺，更多时候都被打磨成碎片，是因为生活要继续想振作，活得惊喜要更多，要心意更精细，更尽力，让精力更心意更亲密，更凝聚。这就是我想要的，我想要我能被铭记啊。 想忘记那些华丽的浮夸的装点，滑稽的实话里藏着谎话，却又很庄严。Do what I do 是因为不想停止迈步，不是不在乎，而是我害怕心思败露。世界的面积可能大到让人抵触，但时间的延续就是你最大的礼物。变为就像是暴露你某个意图，让阳光彻底照着你。每寸皮肤 I pray for myself, I pray for my heart。真理藏在心里 ，keep it real for my word。我为我自己买单，不会逃脱，而是负责。我自己对抗灾难，哪怕掌握我的负荷。
Yeah, see, I can't do anything yet. It hasn't broken out this level, so I do think that it's going to get rejected here. And Pepe looks like it's going to get rejected from this level. Because if you look at this in terms of like market structure for Pepe, have a look here. This was a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then the lows, right? And it's still respecting this level. Yeah, the Pepe can still come down from here. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting rejected now. Technically taking stalls here is definitely valid, right? But like I can't take that. The range is so small. I'm thinking about taking this goal for Pepe, yeah. Wait for the 15 minutes, yeah. Yeah, look at this, look at this.
你给的质疑，你觉得我会猜疑吗？只相信自己，用音乐转换季节，所以不会再畏惧冬天。中文 hip hop 有版图，我会在最中间。You feel me?
Yeah, it's looking like we might get a rejection here, guys. It is looking like we're going to get a rejection here. Yeah, the market's tricky. We might not get that today as of yet, but this is looking like it's going to come back down to this level, 56k. Maybe see a bounce from there. If it breaks out here, then we can look for souls, but I don't want to be trading in this range, right? I want to be trading on the breakout, right? I want to wait for price to break this level or price to break this level here, because it's kind of unsure what's going to happen in here. Can't really do anything, right? Not much else to look at, like, to be honest with you. For some reason I can't see the comments. I can see the comments, but I can't view them for some reason. I'll have a look here. But yeah, that's, I don't know, like, to be honest with you, the market is only going to really give us some direction once we see this level get broken or we see this level get broken. But when price is like consolidating in here, then anything can really happen, right? I can't really do anything. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Bitcoin is still getting rejected, which means we'll probably see a rejection within the alt. Yeah, there's not much to do here, guys. It's not like yesterday we had quite a lot of trades running. Nothing really to do. The NFP is pumping. But yeah, that's. I mean, the stream's a bit bland today in terms of the market, so I mean, I can't really take this buy for NFT because it really kind of broke out. So can't really do anything here. But I do appreciate you guys joining today. Yeah, the market's not really giving much. We do have to wait for Bitcoin to break out of this level. Once it does, then we can look at positions. But until then, it's just very, very bland. But yeah, let's see what later. I think today around about 3 p.m., 4 p.m. we might get a bit more volatility. But right now, it's just looking like Bitcoin just wants to consolidate in the range. Yeah, so it can't do much for Bitcoin today. Can't do much there. We took this trade yesterday for BNB in the live. Did end up taking profit at like 400. But I mean, it's still BNB still looks good. Still does look good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I do appreciate you guys joining today. Bitcoin, like I told you guys, I will be waiting for that breakout today. But until then, the market's just gonna consolidate within the range. Okay, so this is the range that you guys should be looking at today. Make sure you guys look at the setup. The price goes is below here. You can look at a sell back down to like 55k. Breaks out, you can look at it long back up to like 58k. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Yeah, sorry that we didn't really take much. We did take that sweet long, but yeah, the market's still just retracing at this point. But yeah, thanks guys.